Welcome to the AWS CloudFormation Deep Dive course. This course has been designed based on multiple years of my experience working as both a cloud deployment architect as well as an application architect. This gave me an opportunity to incorporate and learn the best practices from both of these domains for designing real-world deployments, and I would like to share these via this course. This course has 4 key goals. First, it provides an overview of AWS CloudFormation from concepts to how to get started. Second, it covers various best practices and tips for using CloudFormation in real-world deployments. Third, it deep dives into CloudFormation with detailed examples that cover various AWS resources and deployment scenarios, including some complex deployments. For each example, it provides a detailed walkthrough of the CloudFormation template as well as a demonstration. Lastly, it covers advanced CloudFormation areas such as nested stacks, custom resources, and stack sets in detail. You can use the link shown here or in the video description to sign up for the course. Thank you for watching.